ApeCoin is Bored Ape Yacht Club's new token that they just airdropped to all their users. And now it's available on Coinbase and most crypto trading platforms. Now, if you've ever watched me in my journey covering NFTs and all the different projects, you notice that most commonly, most projects in their roadmap, they say, hey, we're gonna airdrop tokens, we're gonna make a cryptocurrency surrounding our project, which mostly is supposed to give value to those projects. Before I get into why I'm buying ApeCoin and why I think if you have the spare income that you should get into ApeCoin, I want to explain briefly what the difference is between a cryptocurrency and an actual crypto token. And I'm gonna explain this real easy, and I want to put it in terms for absolute beginners, right? So I'll make it super simple, right? A cryptocurrency is like Nike, right? Nike is its own entity, its own thing, its own company. And then up under Nike, you got different athletes, most notably Michael Jordan, who has their own brand under the Nike umbrella. Of those athletes and those subsets as tokens, or have enough, and using that example, a token can become a cryptocurrency and even have potential to become its own thing, just like in the example we use with the Jordan brand and Nike. Which brings me to why I'm buying some Ape, and not only that, but why you should. And make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm gonna also show you step by step how to buy you some. Now, like I highlighted in the beginning of this video, it isn't just some new coin that with unpredictable potential and just an unpredictable wave. They are airdrop tokens to holders of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. And like most airdrop tokens, they're volatile in the beginning, meaning they go up and down. And this is my thoughts though, as somebody who has a little bit experience in the NFT space over the last couple months. This ain't just any airdrop token, bro. This is Bored Ape Yacht Club. And see, when you're moving around in the crypto space, the NFT space, the best thing that you can do for a beginner, and including myself, is learn to follow history. And for me, the fear of missing out on this is huge. Unlike most of these other coins, like I just stated, this is backed by a strong community, right? And the value of that in itself is that we have proof that this community has continued to grow. Like I promise you, the very first NFT that you ever seen in your life was probably one of these. Probably made headlines because you probably seen one of your favorite celebrities buying into this project. Many people, Lil Baby, Steph Curry, famous wealthy people are in that community and are back in that community. I mean, like this NFT is the Lamborghini of NFTs, with the floor price right now being about 90 Ethereum, which is a little over $250,000. Means is, if nothing else, this project or coin ain't going nowhere. And from my view, as long as that community continues to grow, so will this coin. So as I said earlier, many NFT roadmaps, right, they mimic the Bored Ape Yacht Club roadmap, promising airdrop tokens and the development of their own tokens and everything like that. As of the creation of this video, it's been about 24 hours since it dropped, and in that time we've seen a low of about $7 and a high of about $17. Now, standard investment logic is to buy low and then sell high, right? But what you got to keep in mind is since I believe that this is going to be a long-term thing, it ain't going to be no lower than it is right now. And you know me, I'm going to always keep it 100% transparent with you. Some people made, just in these 24 hours, some people who were already in that project have made tens of thousands of dollars in these 24 hours. Being real, some people, they lost a little bit too. Not lost actual money out their pocket, lost actual earning potential by selling. Now, one of the most common questions that I had when I first heard about it was, bro, do I have to be a Bored Ape Yacht Club member to have some of this token? And because it's on Coinbase, no, any of us can go buy some. And what I'm gonna do is I'm about to show you step by step exactly how you can buy some. So the very first thing you do, you go to Coinbase, right? And once you're on Coinbase, it's gonna show you your screen, it's gonna show you your balance and your assets. You're gonna go down to more, you're gonna hit add cash, right? Now, the different payment methods, you can use your bank account, you can use a wire transfer, you can do a gift card, right? But I'm gonna show you an even faster way to go in and buy some crypto, all right? Because you can link debit cards. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to more, right? Then you wanna go to buy crypto, right? Then you're gonna search for ApeCoin. All right, and so it's gonna bring you to a screen to where you can actually buy ApeCoin. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy $10. I already have some, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna spend $10. I have debit cards already in my account. You can go in and link a debit card the same way. You go in, you put the amount that you want to buy. You can even do it a weekly buy or whatever. After that, it's as simple as hitting confirm, hitting done. You've got your ApeCoin, and it's really that simple. I got videos about how you can make money with NFTs, how you can make money with NFTs. YouTube is gonna suggest you a video to watch. Man, meet me over in that video. I love y'all, bro. Let's get it.